What up, people? What's happening? Hey, thanks for clicking on the video. I really appreciate it. So look, before I get into today's video, I want to address something that I haven't quite addressed just yet. I am fully aware that my content is starting to have an imbalance. I used to be full-time beards, content, reviews, products, things like that. And now I'm moving more towards woodworking and especially the CNC. It's a passion of mine, and I just can't help but make content about it. I'm aware, and I'm okay with it. Chances are there's a few of you guys out there that can sit there and treat CNC videos as eye candy like I do. I love to watch that stuff. I can watch it all the time. But anyhow, I'm just doing something that I love. And if you like it too, please hit me up, watch these videos, check them out. Hit the like on the videos, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. But the best part for me is the engagement in the comments with my friends, with the folks that care about my content and that care to leave me some messages down there. I really do appreciate that. That's a bunch of fun for me. So, before I go too much further, just a few days ago I made a new sign for the shop. It's a 3D file that I purchased. I think the file might have been $10 or something like that. I loaded it into the machine, get everything set up and everything right, and then cut it out on the machine. It's never just as easy as cutting it out on the machine. There's all kinds of different things that go to it, and maybe one day I'll get in depth, but I don't want to put too many people to sleep right now. But today, I've got a file that I want to cut that I just grabbed just a little bit ago. And it's on the computer behind me. The screensaver hit me. You can only see a little bitty tip of it, but chances are if you know me, you know what it's going to be about. But anyhow, I want to make this super fast motion, and I want to make something happen for you on this machine and just give you something to look at, give you something to enjoy. And hopefully by the end of the day, by the grace of God, if I get this done and at least maybe some stain on it, I can show you everything in one video, which would be great. But anyhow, I'm going to get right to it. I'm going to show you what's up. Thanks for hanging out. Wasn't so bad, was it? Man, it's real cool to watch that to me. I could watch that all day. Not in slow, regular speed motion. I could watch them fast motion because slow is very, very slow. Tedious. But after about 6 hours, maybe a little bit more than 6 hours with the stain, we finally got it done. It's still a little bit wet, so I'm going to have to hold it carefully. That's how that came out. Really, really like that. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, whether I'm going to give it away or whether I'm going to hang it up. At the rate I'm going now, I've got so many of these little, I guess you call them trinkets. They're time-consuming trinkets, but they're all over my house, hanging on the walls, sitting. They're just sitting. I've got a bunch of them, so I've got to start figuring out what to do with them here shortly. But anyhow, if you made it this far, I truly do appreciate it. I really enjoy working on that CNC. I like making stuff like this. It's fun to me. So thanks for checking me out, you guys. And until the next time, we'll see you then. Y'all be good. Take care of yourselves.